Hi all, I don't normally make videos like this, but welcome back to Co-Winter Heidi's laptop. Uh, I'm going to do a kind of fun thing. I'm going to show you why the auto operator is the greatest operator there ever was and why it is total magic. So here I'm in Notepad++, I have my language set to C++. I'm going to quickly include a few libraries, string, IOStream, CSTDIO. I might not use CSTDIO. I'm going to say using name space std to make things simple. The normal stuff. You probably don't want to use namespace std in normal professional coding, but it certainly speeds things up. Pause onto the end there. Simple stuff. Anyways, here's why auto is the greatest operator of all time. For all this, I'm going to say void, and I'm going to say thing, and we'll just say auto arg. It's an operator. Auto is a data type. So why is it the greatest data type of all time? Well, I'll show you why. Cout, simple console output thing, and then I'm going to pass arg right on the back there. We'll see why in a second. It's absolutely brilliant. See, I've done that. I'll return it, even though that return is useless. I like to add it, and then I'll do the greatest thing. It'll blow your mind. I'm going to say string a equals this. I'm going to say int b equals this. I'm going to say float c equals this point this, and I'm going to say bool d equals true. And then what this is going to blow your mind. Thing, I'm going to pass a into thing, say thing, and I'm going to pass, I don't know, b into thing. I'm going to say thing, I'm going to pass c into thing, a in. And then I'm going to say thing, and I'm going to pass d in. And this, my friend, is why auto is my favorite operator of all time. The compiler, when it goes through all this, is going to decide that auto is not one, not two, not three, not four, but all of these things. I've saved it to a file here. Let's try this. Shift, open PowerShell window here. Do we have it? G++. Yes, we do. G++. We'll use dev.cpp dash std equals 17. We'll just do 11. See? All right. First try. Next, we're going to launch it. See? It's brilliant. And I definitely compiled this on my first try. Brilliance. This. That is why auto is the best operator. And why this compiler flag is ridiculous. But nonetheless, it gets the job done. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you're from Python, shut up. I see you guys laughing. I don't care.